Only there's one rule. Don't push that button. Don't even think about it.
Good. Keep going.
Well, it does look pretty nice. I wonder what happened when we push it.
Push it. No. Turn the page. What's he say right there?
He says, I can't push the button. It's working. I must push the button. Now can I?
Yes.
Let's see what happens next. It made me railroad.
Push it again.
Is that now polka dots is on me? I gotta press it again.
Yeah.
Now there's two of me.
Push it again. He says, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Now turn the page. Why are you shaking the book?
Too many worries.
Larry's.
We get what are them worries? Almost. Can I push it?
Yeah. Turn the page.
Wait on me.
Remember he says scratch his belly.
Push the button?
Mm-hmm.
Now can I push the button again?
Yes. Good job, Easton.